This is Blink's newest outdoor camera, the Blink Outdoor 2K Plus. Blink states, no worries, no wires, and no compromises. So we're going to test that theory. So this is Blink's newest outdoor camera. I reviewed their latest outdoor model, the Blink Outdoor 4. So you'd think that they'd name this one the 5th generation Blink Outdoor 5. Nope, they didn't do that. They named it Blink Outdoor 2K Plus. Why can't they continue the numbering series? 5, 6, 7, 6, 7. That I'll never know. You can pick a Blink Outdoor 2K Plus setup for about $100. This is a one camera kit that comes with the sync module core. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out further. In the box, you get the Blink Outdoor 2K Plus camera, 2 AA lithium batteries, the camera mount, screws and drywall anchors, a plastic flathead screwdriver that allows you to get into the back case of this camera so that way you can get to the batteries, but you can also connect this to the back panel and then lean the camera back if you need it. Then you get the sync module core, and then you get a USB-C cable to power the sync module core. Taking a closer look at the Blink Outdoor 2K Plus, it keeps the same compact square-shaped design with the rounded corners, almost identical to the Blink Outdoor 4. The camera comes with Blink's weather shield. This gives IP65 weather resistance, so it's ready for rain, dust, snow, and tougher outdoor conditions. The lens design is a little bit different this time. Instead of a rounded hood like on the Outdoor 4, the 2K Plus has more of a squared off look. This is likely because of the new lens. That new lens brings 2K resolution, 4x zoom for sharper, clearer footage for both daytime and nighttime. Even in infrared night vision mode, it delivers noticeably better image clarity than the Blink 4. Blink added a brand new feature. It's color night vision for the Outdoor 2K Plus. They added this as well as adding the 2K branding on the side of the camera. They're also on the right hand side of the lens, there's this new sensor. I don't know if this is a light sensor. I thought it was a spotlight at first, but there is no spotlight feature. I'm guessing it's a light sensor. It didn't really say, and I can't really find any information about it. Other than all that, the setup remains the same, a simple mount and go system design Blink is known for. It's still powered by 2 AA lithium batteries. The audio has been upgraded to the same noise canceling microphone found in the Blink Mini 2K Plus. This helps clean up the sound in your recordings. Blink did make some updates to the smart detection features. They had person detection with the Blink Outdoor 4, and now they've updated it with vehicle detection. Unfortunately, like other Blink products, you'll need a subscription plan to use those features. Without it, you'll just get motion alerts, but they'll be more basic and less accurate. Now, as far as battery life goes, Blink really hasn't said how long they'll actually last. They said up to 2 years, but in all reality, the Outdoor 4 doesn't really last up to 2 years. And this one with the 2K resolution being a higher resolution, it won't likely last as long as Outdoor 4. So we'll have to do more testing on that. Now just remember the battery life really depends on where the camera is and how much activity it's going to see. So let's take a quick look at some sample video footage during the daytime, nighttime with night vision, as well as color night vision. So let's take a quick look at the smartphone app and some of the features. All right, so here is the app, and right now this is the back door camera, so we're gonna go hit play so you can get a live view of the camera. What it's gonna do is gonna get this back here. And then you can hit save, and this will allow you to save the footage that's being your live viewing. Tap to unmute, and then more. This more will allow you to get to more settings. And so here's their simplistic setup. So you got general settings, Allows you to update the name of it. You can see the battery level. You can buy the battery extension pack. They do have one for the Outdoor 4, this is pretty much the same, so I don't see why this wouldn't work for this one. Current firmware, status LED if it's on while you're recording or whatever, network signal strength, connection to the sync module, and temperature outside. Motion settings allows you to do motion detection on and off. Smart detection allows you to turn on the vehicle, other motion, and person detection, only if you have the subscription fee. Motion sensitivity, motion zones, which is really nice, and retrigger time. Video settings allows you to set up how long it records for, so it goes up to 60 seconds. Video quality, you can make it end if the motion stops. Night vision, whether you want auto or do you want the LED on always to be on, or do you want it to be off. And then infrared and sensitivity, and then also auto update the thumbnail if you want to. Audio settings, speaker volume, pretty much. Privacy settings, you can set up privacy zones. And then help gives you more information about the device, and then upgrade firmware. That's pretty much it. That's the app. So here are my final thoughts. This is the smoothest experience that I've ever had with a Blink product. The video quality is getting better, and with the addition of color night vision, it's a must-have feature for nowadays. Person and vehicle detection makes using the camera far more practical day-to-day use. That being said, this is still a budget security camera, and it's behind on some must-have features. And if you want full functionality of this camera and what it has to offer, you're going to be having to be okay with paying a monthly subscription. If you're new to the home security world and you want ease of setup, as well as affordability for an outdoor camera, Blink might be for you. If you're after some of the newest technology and features, you may want to pass on Blink. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing for more tech reviews, home automation, home and automotive how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.